modern machineries, advanced technology, setting the global standard for excellence. The pioneer in reforming the racking system industry, the industry leader, TTF Group. TTF Group was established in 1996, marking the birth of the first ever blue and yellow boltless rack. This moment changed the trajectory of the warehouse racking industry, as TTF Group's light-duty racking designs have since spread across the globe, bringing significant transformations and establishing itself as one of the top storage racking suppliers in the world. Our mission is make space valuable, make business easier. Vision: to be a global leader in building sustainable space ecosystems, persevering through challenges with innovation. With over 30 years of experience, we have been providing racking system and retail display racks to our valued customers. Our products are widely used in industries such as industrial, warehouses, offices, retail stores, and etc. From raw materials, designs, productions, professional consultancy to after-sales service, we offer a one-stop solution. Today, TTF Group has also established a new brand for material handling equipment, providing comprehensive solutions and services to our customers. We have served over 60,000 enterprise clients, ranging from small and medium-sized enterprises to international and multinational corporations. With our persistent dedication, we've earned the title of racking experts from our customers. With customer satisfaction exceeding 95%, we continue to innovate and stay ahead of time. TTF Group has obtained ISO 9001 International Standard certification, as well as quality certifications from CRM and UTM, ensuring that all our products and services meet quality standards and fulfill their intended purposes. In addition, TTF Group has received multiple prestigious awards representing market and customer recognition of our excellence. Based on ESG standards, our factories are equipped with solar power systems to save energy and reduce carbon emissions. Products are recyclable, emphasizing social responsibility and sustainable development to benefit the world.
TTF Group plays a crucial role in the era of Industry 4.0. Beyond just providing racking systems, we are advancing towards smart digital technologies and industrial processes, including the development of networking systems, AI, advanced big data, robotics, automation. These advancements aim to improve productivity, efficiency, and flexibility, offering more comprehensive warehouse system solutions.
To fulfill our mission at TTF, each and every one of us must always keep our 5 core values in mind: customer first, integrity, team spirit, creativity, and respect.
How does a business get it right? TTF Group places great importance on our corporate culture. Through the power of corporate culture, we aim to influence businesses, society, and live positively. Our goal is to bring meaningful changes to companies, communities, customers, and the life of employees.
Persistence and dedication. TTF Group is committed to the principles of saving space, time, energy, and money. We ensure sustainable development and improve quality of life while striving to become a world-class integrated warehouse management brand.